Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Coding Expert. Today we are going to discuss long press gesture. What is long press gesture in Swift? How to implement long press gesture in iOS app. Long press is also known as press and hold gesture. Long press gestures detect one or more fingers or a stylus touching the screen for an extended period of time. You can configure the minimum duration required to recognize the press and the number of times the fingers must be touching the screen. You might use a long press gesture to initiate an action on the object being pressed. Let's start practical implementation. Let's launch Xcode. Click on Create New Project. Now choose Platform iOS and select App, then click on Next. Now enter project name. I write it long press, then click Next. Now go to ViewController class. Create an object of UILongPressGestureRecognizer class. Let longGesture equals UILongPressGestureRecognizer. Set target to self. Now create IBAction. Add IBAction func long press sender UILongPressGestureRecognizer. Print long press. Now call it from selector. Now add this gesture object with view, or you can add to any object. self.view.addGestureRecognizer, longGesture. Now click on Run button to see the output. App is launched. Now you can see on long press text is printed 2 times because we are not maintaining gesture states. On long press, IBAction is called, and when we remove finger, then again long press action is called. That's why it's print long press 2 times. Now add gesture states. If sender.state equals .began, print began. If sender.state equal ended, print end. Now run again. Now long press the view began state is called, and when we remove finger, then ended state is called. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day and happy coding. See you next time.